Good morning, good evening. Hello, everybody, for tuning in to our second presentation of the day. I'm delighted to introduce Nouhad Bachnak, who is the managing director of the Swiss branch of Sunway Communication, and he will share some insights about their 3D plating, 3D packaging, and 3D MID technologies at Sunway Communication. And with that, Nouhad, over to you.
Thank you, Christoph, for the introduction, and welcome everybody to my presentation about 3D plating, 3D packaging, and 3D MID. To who is not familiar with the abbreviation MID, this is molded interconnect devices or newly mechatronic integrated device. Yeah. So, first an overview about Sunway Communication, just 2 slides presenting the company. Then something about the variety of selective plating technologies used at Sunway in order to create 2D or 3D circuits. Then I will present a new process. We call it LSCA. This stands for laser structuring chemical activation. I will present this process and its capabilities. This is a process, new process in development, and I will show some application examples. And at the end, what's very important, everything which is not reliable, you can't use it. We have achieved a high reliability regarding plating on plastic substrates. And I will show one slide showing these capabilities about robustness and costs. Sunway Communication is a Chinese company based in Shenzhen. We have more than 10,000 employees worldwide. We have a revenue of more than $1 billion per year. Hence, we are in nearly every industry. We have all this like quality certification, for example, for medical, for automotive, and so on. We invest heavily in research and development, about 9% of our revenue. And in terms of innovation, we have more than 1,500 patents. And according to a UL study, Sunway Communication is on the 3rd place in terms of granted patents for 5G antennas. The production and the main activities are in China. Nevertheless, we have overall in the world, we have facilities, mainly research and development. So production in China, research and development, customer support, marketing, project acquisition in Japan, Korea, USA. In Europe, we are located in Sweden, the headquarter, and in Switzerland, this is where I am located. And here in Switzerland, we are dealing mainly with 3D MID, or in general, with 3D plating on different substrates, I would say, not only plastic. Here to show you a snapshot of our products. So it's a big variety of components and modules. I will not present them all. We will concentrate today on plating technologies in order to create 3D circuits, 3D substrates, and we call it 3D MID. Technology in general, there are many processes, and the main topic will be this LSCA process. So here's a variety of plating technologies we use at Sunway. Plating on plastic, everybody know that, maybe two-shot molding. There's 2 processes, LDS and LSCA. I will explain it a little bit more to who is not familiar with that. LDS means laser direct structuring. And actually, it's a very good established process now, mainly for antennas, or it started with antennas, but in the meantime, we have applications everywhere, whether it's automotive, consumer, medical. How it works? So you have a 3D substrate,